If we want this 90 turned this way, right? Hold it for me. We want this 90 turned like that.
We want to turn it like this?
Right.
So then
mark this in the middle, right there. Mark that right in the middle. Put a line in the middle. To let you know that's, matter of fact, no, we want to bend this out this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so mark this in the middle.
Yeah, okay.
To let us know that's where we want to bend our pipe. We want to bend our pipe coming out. Yeah. Now that you have that mark there, you know you want to bend that up. That's good. You're not going to hit that. Now you want to bend that up. So I would mark it an inch back and then 4 inches for your baby offset. Now make those marks all the way around. Your mark right here, and you want to bend it going out, turn it over. Yep. Turn it over, just like that, and then you bend it. The way you bend that one, you bend it the same exact way on the other bend.
Got it. And it's literally just that, right?
I'll do some more. Whatever you want to do. You want to keep it there, or you want to do more?
Maybe.
Come on, bend it.
I don't want to do too much.
All right, just go right there.
And then I flip it around and do the exact same?
Yes, sir. You see how that pipe was inside the bender? Next time, I think you need to go back further than an inch.
I was about to say that.
Got it.
Your mark. Make sure. Look at that 90. Push that 90 down. Keep everything straight. Put your feet on it if you have to. All right. Go ahead. Let's go. Let's bend. Excuse me. Only one person. Come on. Right
The
there.
Giants is what?
They released Daniel Jones.
Yeah. It was
Lamar was like
1
55th.
3/4.
Lamar was the last pick, the first round. He was the third second.
And now look at him.
No.
See timing.
I need
Maybe,
to-
maybe
yeah.
So just bend both of them again.
Gotcha.
Sorry.
We just need.
I can't tell you to bend it in the air.
If you think you can, bend it in there.
That's not
Because
your
all you're
body.
doing it, you're adding more on each one. So why are you bending it in the air? Just put it back down like it was.
That's not your body. Sam.
Turn it around.
Turn it around.
He holla bend it in the air. That's not even his body.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, bend the first one.
Bend the first one in the air?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
just a little bit. You was right. I'm sorry.
Oh, good. Yeah, no, you hear that?
I was told my friend, damn.
Don't bend it out.
Yeah.
Turn it around.
Oh, turn it. Oh, when it's in the air, that line has to be in it.
Yeah, make sure you put that back on your line. There you go. Make sure it's straight.
Cleaning up your area.
Oh, clean up my area?
Yeah, I will.
Gotta tell me twice.
Come on, bend that, man.
Yo, why is Santos in the air?
Do you know which way to bend it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? So you gonna bend that up?
I remember doing it with the thing.
There in his you got a job there on the side.
All right. Do me a favor, bro. Give me a mark.
No.
Text your girl. Come on.
8 years. God, man.
Where's that? Where's your mark at?
Whatever that be.
Where your mark at? Come on, man. Stay focused.
She got working anyway.